Welcome to Machine Solutions, where we bring you closer to the world of modern wood production, from the deep forests to the finely crafted products that grace our homes. You'll also see the incredible power and precision of the machines that make this all possible. From the mighty Komatsu 931C144 harvester, cutting and processing trees with robotic efficiency, to the Sany wheeled log loader, moving tons of timber with ease and control. In today's video, we'll take a fascinating journey that follows wood through every step of its transformation, beginning with the harvesting of massive logs in the forest, then through the sawmill where those logs are carefully milled, and finally into the factory, where skilled craftsmen shape, assemble, and finish solid wood doors of exceptional beauty and strength. This is the unseen story behind the furniture and doors we use every day. A combination of nature, technology, and craftsmanship working together in perfect harmony. So sit back, relax, and enjoy watching how modern forestry and woodworking come together to turn raw timber into works of art. This is the full cycle of wood production, from the forest to the factory. After being transported from the forest, the logs arrive at the sawmill, where the transformation truly begins. Here, precision, patience, and experience merge to turn rough timber into high-value wooden components. The first step begins at the cutting line. Large logs are positioned onto heavy-duty conveyors, where automated saws slice them into thick planks. Each piece is selected according to its grain, density, and texture, qualities that determine what kind of product it will later become. For this project, the chosen material is solid chestnut wood, known for its durability, fine grain, and natural warmth. The goal: to create an elegant, glass-paneled entry door that will last for decades. The raw boards are first planed to remove bark and irregularities. Then, they're cut to precise dimensions using a high-speed table saw. Each cut must be exact, within a millimeter, because any deviation can affect the final fit of the door. Next comes the jointing process. The craftsman aligns each piece carefully, applying glue to the joints before pressing them under hydraulic clamps. This creates a solid, seamless frame that forms the structure of the door. Once the frame is secure, the inner panels are added. In this case, the design includes a large glass opening that allows natural light to pass through, so the craftsmen carve out the center section to fit a sturdy glass insert. Throughout this process, quality control is constant. Every surface is checked for imperfections, and any flaws are repaired or sanded out before moving on. Then, the door edges are shaped using routers that round the corners and add decorative grooves. These subtle details give the final piece character and refinement. After shaping, the sanding process begins, a step that requires both skill and patience. Using progressively finer sandpaper, the workers smooth the entire surface until it feels like silk to the touch. Now the door is ready for finishing. In traditional woodworking, finishing is more than just applying color. It's about protecting the wood and highlighting its natural beauty. The chestnut wood is treated with a protective oil or varnish, which enhances the warm tone of the grain and brings out its unique patterns. Once dried, the glass insert is installed. The craftsmen carefully mount it into the center opening, securing it with wooden frames and sealant to ensure perfect insulation and strength. Finally, hinges, handles, and locks are added, completing the transformation from a rough piece of lumber into a beautifully crafted entry door. It's a process that reflects the balance between craftsmanship and machinery, tradition and innovation. Behind every wooden door like this lies the story of an entire ecosystem, from the forest where the tree once stood, to the mill that processed it, to the hands of the people who shaped it. And all of it starts in the forest, with modern machines working tirelessly to harvest timber in a safe, efficient, and sustainable way. Now, let's return to where it all begins. Deep in the forest, where powerful logging machines take on the toughest jobs. This is the Komatsu 931 C144, one of the most advanced harvesters in modern forestry. It's designed to work efficiently, even in the most challenging terrains. As the operator maneuvers the machine into position, the C144 harvesting head grips the tree trunk with hydraulic arms. In a single, smooth motion, the saw blade slices through the base, felling the tree in seconds. Immediately, the harvester tilts the trunk horizontally and begins processing it, stripping away branches and cutting the log into measured sections with incredible precision. Every cut is guided by computer-assisted measurement, ensuring each piece is optimized for size and value. For seasoned forestry professionals, this isn't just about power, it's about control. The Komatsu's onboard computer tracks production data, calculates timber volume, and even adjusts cutting speed automatically to reduce waste. Meanwhile, the machine's six-wheel design provides stability, and its low ground pressure helps minimize impact on the forest floor, a crucial feature for sustainable logging operations. In just minutes, one operator can do what once required an entire crew with chainsaws. This efficiency not only reduces labor costs, but also increases safety and precision. Every harvested log is then stacked and ready for loading. Each one represents hours of planning and management, because in modern forestry, sustainability comes first. For every tree harvested, new saplings are planted, ensuring the forest continues to thrive for generations to come. From here, the logs are ready to be moved from the forest to the next stage of the journey, transport. Back at the mill, the next stage of the journey unfolds. Massive Sany wheeled log loaders rumble across the yard, their engines growling softly under heavy loads of timber. Each log harvested in the forest must be sorted, stacked, and fed into production. The Sany loader makes this possible. Designed to handle tons of wood with both strength and agility, its large grapple arms open wide to grab bundles of logs, lifting them effortlessly from trucks and trailers. Operators move with precision, stacking logs in tall, orderly piles that will feed the saw lines inside. From a distance, the operation looks like a dance of steel and timber, constant movement, coordination, and rhythm. One loader unloads a truck, another arranges the timber stockpile, while others feed conveyors that carry logs to the first saw. These machines work long hours, day and night, ensuring the sawmill never runs out of raw material. And while the process is fully mechanized, it still depends on human expertise. The steady hand of the operator, reading the weight, balance, and motion of every load. Without these machines, the sawmill would fall silent. The Sany log loader is the bridge between nature's raw bounty and the refined craftsmanship within the factory walls, a crucial link in the continuous cycle of wood production. And so, the story comes full circle, from the quiet forest, through powerful machines, into skilled human hands. Each step reflects the same respect for wood, precision, and sustainability. The machines of Mendes Maquinas remind us that progress and craftsmanship can coexist beautifully, shaping the natural world into things that last. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this journey from the forest to the factory, don't forget to subscribe to Machine Solutions for more stories of technology, craftsmanship, and innovation.